The murder of 13-year-old Christina Williams in Monterey County got nationwide attention 2 decades ago. Now, after years of agonizing and some big moves in court, her family may finally get closure. That's right now on KPIX 5 and streaming on CBSN Bay Area. Good evening. I'm Alan Martin.
And I'm Veronica Dela Cruz. 58-year-old Charles Holyfield charged with the kidnapping and murder of Williams in 2017. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez shows us why he will finally go to trial. Len?
Well, I just spoke with the father of Christina Williams, and he says that he is ready for justice to be served, does not want to wait any longer. It would take years for a death penalty case to get through the courts, and he said he's ready to move on, even if it means dropping the death penalty.
21 years after the kidnap and murder of his 13-year-old daughter, Christina Williams, Michael Williams says it's time for the case to move on, even if it means dropping death penalty charges against the man accused of killing her.
Is it the ultimate justice? Maybe not, but he's locked up. He's not harming anybody.
58-year-old Charles Holyfield, who's already in prison after a rape conviction, was linked to the Christina Williams case in 2017 through a DNA database match. But the Monterey County District Attorney's Office announced it's no longer seeking the death penalty against Holyfield. In exchange, Holyfield gave up his right to a jury trial and to appeal the verdict. He will be given a court trial early next year, with a judge deciding his guilt or innocence.
We pursued the death penalty in this case because it is, in our mind, and continues to be, the appropriate verdict for anyone who takes a young girl and murders her. That is our firm belief still. But we had to look at the climate that we were in, and we also had to look at the wishes of the family. And the family expressed to us a desire for closure.
It's maybe not exactly what we wanted, but then again, we would obviously prefer to have our daughter back. But yeah, it's. I think this is best for everybody.
And back live here in Monterey County. Now, a memorial has been built in the spot where Christina's body was found 7 months after her disappearance. There's a plaque here also signifying the importance that this case had on this community. Now, this community will see the trial probably early next year in March. Instead of taking months, it will take just a couple of weeks. There will be no jury selection, and there will be no death penalty phase, which would add several more weeks to the case. So it should bring closure a lot sooner than if the death penalty had been sought. Reporting live in Marina, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.